Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to tackle a common question that many Windows 10 users have: how to remove that search bar from the taskbar. It can be a bit annoying for some, and luckily, there's a straightforward way to do it. Stick around, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest tech tips and tutorials. Now, let's get started. First things first, let's right-click on the taskbar. Find an empty space on the taskbar, and right-click to bring up the context menu. This is where the magic begins. Now, hover your mouse over the search option in the context menu. This will reveal a submenu with different options. From the submenu, select Hidden. This will hide the search bar from your taskbar. And just like that, the search bar is gone. Take a moment to admire your clean and clutter-free taskbar. It's a small change, but for many, it makes a big difference in the overall look and feel of the desktop. That's all there is to it. Removing the search bar is a quick and easy way to customize your Windows 10 experience. If you ever want to bring it back, simply follow the same steps and select Show instead of Hidden. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to share this video with anyone who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.